So hello everyone, this is Mohibul speaking. So welcome back to BM Smart Academy. So as you know that I'm English learner, I'm very curious and fascinated to learning English speaking. That's why I always try to make English content. And if you just noticed that in my content I never use any Bangla word because I want to just push my brain always think in English. So this is my ultimate goal, and that's why I never use a Bangla word in my speech. I know that if I just practice with Bangla, I can't speak in English. It will take so many times. That's why I always try to speak in English in my videos. So don't worry. If you just want to know any Bangla word, you can comment below. I will next video I will try to speak in English. Speak with Bangla and English mixed. Okay. So today I'm going to share with you one interesting story because just few minutes ago I asked one of my students. This is very basic and very common question, that is, tell me something about yourself. And he said, how can I express my thought in English? And he's shocked. And I also shocked because he can't speak a little bit about himself. So how can is it possible? So now in this video, I'm going to talk with you in English about myself. Also, I am a beginner. I can make mistakes, so I'm sorry for that. So if I talk about myself, I would like to start with nicely. That is, Assalamu alaikum. So thank you for giving me a wonderful chance to say something about myself in front of you, and I mean in front of audience. Okay. So my name is Mohibul Khan, and I recently I have completed my post graduation. I mean masters in sociology department at a national university, and I completed my ACC and ACC in 2016 and 2018, respectively. So basically, I originally from Sylhet, I mean Hobbygonz. So now I living Brahmanbaria, and if I talk about exactly, I am living at Nasinnagar in Brahmanbaria. I have been living here for 5 years. Okay, so now also I can share with you my hobby and my like and dislike. Basically, my hobby is to gardening. uh, in my yard, I have a small garden. Here, I always take care of them. I mean, I planted some flowers, so I watering them in the morning, and I like to listening English podcast. Also, my future plan is to be English speaker. I mean, I'm trying. I mean, I'm the right track. So definitely within a few months, I want to be an English speaker, and I want to be a public speaker as well. And that's all about myself. I know that it is very short, but if you can share about yourself like this, so also it will be a great start. So take care and start today and try to practice about yourself, the topic. So take care. Bye bye.